Hello everybody, this is me, John Salazar. In this case, in the English exam course, in the final exam, tutor Angie Xiomara Pinto. In this moment, I'm going to talk about the MET exam. This is an international evaluation for measure the proficiency in the English idiom. I should answer the following question, for example. Number 1. What is the purpose of the exam? This is used to measure the general proficiency of English in social, educational, and labor contexts. It focuses in the capacity of the person to communicate effectively in English. Number 2. What kind of people can take this exam? This exam is directed to all people who want to be examined or evaluated to know which level of domain it has in English idiom, in all the contexts or environment. Number 3. What's the main goal of the exam? The main goal of this exam is focusing in measure the capacity of person to communicate effectively in English idiom. What are the most significant characteristics of this exam? In my opinion, the most significant characteristic of this exam is the part preparation for the candidates, since there are many ways to do it, inclusive when you already are enrolled for this. You receive a free preparation conference with lasts 2 hours from 3 to 5 p.m. It's totally free. Number 5. What skills are evaluated through this exam and how are they evaluated? This exam just evaluates listening and reading skill and additionally grammar. For listening, it lasts 35 minutes and consists of 15 questions. Reading lasts 65 minutes and have 50 questions. Number 6. What scale is used to get the results? Each section has a scale of score from low to 80 and is equivalent from A2 to C1 according with the Common European Framework Reference. Would you take that exam in the future? Why? Not really. I would prefer to take the TOEIC exam. This exam evaluates all the skills of the English idiom. This exam is like a more complete. You can be evaluated in the first abilities that this idiom has. And the reference according with upper rules is what you are watching in the screen. I can read it, but you can see it. Okay, that's it for this video for now. Thanks for watching the video and blessings. Bye.